Welcome back to another episode of Another Day. Another opening na naman tayo, guys. So we're gonna open this Century Tuna Park Soo-Joon official merchandise. So if hindi nyo pa alam, itong mga box na to is a Century Tuna with photocard of Park Soo-Joon. So we're gonna open and hopefully we get something good. I hope we get the rare. So it has a rare on inside. So the first box is, uy, nice. So ito pala, with sleeves pala siya sa loob. Next, uy, parang ako lang kamukha ako siya, guys. So far, no dupes. Next, and we got, grabe, ayun yung rare with siya, jacket. So we don't have rare yet. Yeah, we don't have dupes yet. So this one, the big one. And yeah, nagkaroon tayo ng dupes. So try natin kaya pag-grade to sa PSA. Nag-grade kaya nila yan. And the last box is, we didn't hit the rare. Oh my god. Wow! No guys, pag-grade na natin to sa PSA at sama na natin tong mga Jollibee. Subukan natin pag-grade.